Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to our... I'm going to go in with my bronzer. This is Hoola from Benefit, and I'm just going to take that on my Morphe M502, and I'm just going to work this into my crease. Okay, going in with this palette, I'm going to take a little bit of this orange and I'm going to use that same brush, literally the smallest amount. And I'm just going to warm up the crease a little bit. I'm going to take this shadow right here. Okay, it's very creamy, very pigmented, and I am just going to run this all over the lid. Going back with that fluffy brush, I'm just going to buff this out just to blend a little more. It doesn't really need much blending. I go back in with my Hoola and I'm going to run this on the lower lash line. I take a little bit, so taking that Morocco shade, I'm running it on the lower lash line, but I'm only keeping it on half the lower lash. So this part right here, I'm keeping empty. So I think I want to add a little bit of this shade right here and just add that right in the center. And I'm only using a very small amount. Going back in with that same shade, I'm going to pop this into the inner tear ducts because I am liking that color a lot. It's really, really pretty. Okay, so we're just going to add that here, and I'm going to run it down also to the lower lash line, and I'm filling in that half that we didn't put the Morocco shade. I'm also going to add a very small amount to the brow bone. And I'm just going to take my fingers and blend that out a little bit. I'm going to do a little bit of liner. I'm going to take a little bit of MAC's Teddy eyeliner and run this into my waterline. These are some lashes I got from Wish, and the only thing it says on it is 3D-47. So we're going to go in with Kylie's Queen Drip just to highlight the cheekbones and the nose. I don't want too much of a highlight. My skin is breaking out, but I really, really love this highlighter. Like, it's so pretty and a little goes such a long way. Just really blending it out. I'm also going to add a small amount of this on the brow bone. I'm just blending it out a little bit with my fingers. Now I'm going to take my Anastasia Blush Trio in Peachy Love, and I'm just going to mix all three of these colors. And just pop this on the apples of my cheek. I take a fluffy brush and I just blend everything together. Add a little bit about a mascara. Alright, so this is the completed look. On my lips, I went in with Morphe's Sweet Tea Lip Liner. I then went in with MAC's Mullet Over, which is part of their Powderkiss family. And then I added a little bit of More Creamer Please. This is a Dose of Color Katy and Desi collab. But I hope you guys enjoyed this really easy, quick, simple makeup look. I think it's just gonna look really good on so many different people, and like you saw, it was super, super easy. And as always, all product details will be listed down below for you guys just to make it a lot easier. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.